So, one of my best friends is practically glued to Instagram, endlessly scrolling through these mesmerizing videos of dream living rooms where you can watch the snow or rain fall outside. Naturally, my curiosity got the better of me, and I had to see what all the fuss was about. And guess what? They're all AI generated. My friend couldn't believe it when I explained it to her. That made me decide to check out similar videos on YouTube and see if these creators were making any money or not. After just a little research, I found several channels that are pretty popular for these kinds of videos and are also monetized. Just check out the stats for 2 YouTube channels I checked out on Socialblade, and as of this recording, both of them are just over a year old. That's when I decided that I wanted to figure out how these videos are made. And I did. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how I can make these relaxing videos too. Maybe you want to do this on Instagram, or start your own faceless YouTube page. You could even use these kinds of videos as backgrounds for your own lo-fi, relaxation, or meditation channels. There are many options available. But I think the key thing here is to have the best images possible, because that is what captures attention first, and then the quality of your sounds or music will keep them. But that's just my 2 cents. So, let's begin. These relaxing videos are so beautiful, and thanks to AI, you can make these a lot easier than even a year ago. I encourage you to start with an AI image generator you are familiar with that puts out excellent quality images. There are many options available, such as Midjourney, Leonardo, Night Cafe, Playground, etc. I'll be creating my images using Playground AI. To do this correctly, you'll want to create large rooms with really big, floor-to-ceiling windows. I have created a prompt, which I will leave in the description below if you'd like to try this for yourself. You can use it to generate these room scenes, or you can make your own prompt. Feel free to change my prompt if you want to. Next, very important, you will definitely need to upscale the final images. Depending on what AI art generator you are using, you might be able to possibly upscale the image right inside the generator. I will leave a link for a free upscaler in the description below too. Once you've made an image you're happy with, download it. Don't forget, you will also need to generate an image for whatever you are looking at when you look through the windows. This will be your exterior image. I have also created a prompt for it, which you can practice with when making your own background if you want to use it. All right, now we're diving into the most intricate part of the process. Getting that picturesque interior view ready so your exterior image will really shine through it. It's time to roll up those sleeves and get to work. First up, we need to bid adieu to those windows. I'll guide you through this step by step. If you're a Photoshop user, fantastic. But if you're not, don't worry because there's a free app called Photopea that does the trick just as well. Here's where it gets a bit fiddly. So grab a comfy chair and lots of patience. What we're going to do is this. Cut out all those windows from your interior image. Yep, you heard me right. The key here is precision. The more meticulous you are in cutting out the glass part of the windows, the better your final image and video will look. For this task, the polygonal tool will be your best friend. Just start at a corner of the window and click your way around until you've outlined the whole thing. Then, delete the selected area, and voila! One window down. Repeat this for every window where you want the outside view to peek through. It might take some time, especially with trickier spots, but hang in there. If you're encountering tricky shapes, the magic wand tool is also a big help. Select it, click on those stubborn bits, and delete away. Once you've managed to cut out all the glass windows, save your image as a PNG. Let's take a second to review what we have done so far. 1. Created an amazing AI image of an interior scene with lots of windows, then upscaled it. 2. Created an amazing AI image of an exterior scene to look at through the windows, then upscaled it. 3. Cut out all the glass in the windows of our interior image, then saved it as a PNG. Next up is editing. You've got two options here. CapCut is a solid free choice, but for today's tutorial, we're using Canva. Start with a fresh page, stretch it to 2 minutes, and upload your background image into it. Next, overlay it with your cutout Windows image. Now, for that enchanting snow effect, I'm going to look for a snowy video inside Canva's video area. Optionally, you could also use an animated snowy graphic if you found a nice one. Place this snowy scene onto your video, and then move it between your background image and your window cutout. Next, if the background image seems too bright or dark, play with the settings inside Canva to give your video the feel you're looking for. Once you've completed your snowy scene, you'll need to add finishing touches like a fire in the fireplace, etc. Depending on whether you are making a cartoony or more realistic video, you can find PNG fires in many places to fit your scene's style, such as Pixabay. Alright, so now that we have our video made, we need to do one last thing. Can you guess? Right, we need some cool music to set the vibe, or at least some sounds that match this picture. Because, let's be honest, no relaxing video is complete without the right soundtrack. Basically, you have two options. You can add royalty-free music, or you can add royalty-free sounds. Or both, your choice. If you want sounds only, a good place to find them is at Pixabay. If you're looking for great free music choices, the YouTube audio library is filled with bazillions of music choices, both free and paid for members. And if you're really into it, optionally, you could create your own music and add it to the scene. Suno AI is a great place to start. I'll leave a link to a video I made about it in the description below. Either way, once your music is ready, download it, head back to Canva, and add it to your scene. Drag your music track onto the timeline. Make sure to adjust the length of the music to fit your video, and don't forget to tweak the volume levels so the music enhances the atmosphere without overpowering it. Lastly, stretch the video out by duplicating it a few times to create an hour or more of relaxing background music. Voila, you're done. Time to download it and then add it to its new home on Instagram, YouTube, etc. But remember, this technique isn't just for rain and snow. Feel free to explore different backgrounds and sound effects, play around with prompts, and let your creativity run wild. The possibilities are endless. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips and tricks on using AI to enhance your content and make money online. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI.